What if I told you? Most people are using their centralized AC completely wrong, wasting money and getting less cooling at the same time? Controlling a centralized AC system is actually simple, if you know the right way to do it. Start with a central wall-mounted thermostat. Set the mode to cool and adjust the temperature to around 78 degrees Fahrenheit, 26 degrees Celsius, for the best balance between comfort and energy savings. Next, set the fan to auto. This ensures the fan only runs when cooling is needed, reducing unnecessary power usage. If your system has zoning, you can control temperatures in different rooms. This works through dampers that open or close airflow, often managed by separate room thermostats, giving you more control and better efficiency. For larger homes or buildings, a central control panel lets you monitor and adjust multiple zones from one place, making management much easier. Want even more control? Upgrade to a smart thermostat. It connects to Wi-Fi, allowing you to adjust temperature, create schedules, and control your AC from your phone, anytime, anywhere. Don't forget maintenance. A dirty air filter can block airflow and reduce cooling performance, so keep it clean. If your AC doesn't start, always check the circuit breaker first, it might have tripped. Key settings to remember: cool mode, activates cooling. Fan auto, saves energy. Fan on, runs continuously, use only if needed.